Today we're travelling between where we're staying in Vinaros and going to Cambrils where we're going to be staying for another month. But one thing I've realised in any of the videos is I haven't showed you halfway through the stay at the last place because the Wi-Fi was not very good. We got moved to another apartment where it was, but we haven't given you a tour of this one. This one doesn't have the view, but let's show you around. As always, let's start with the door. There is a door. And then there's a table, sorry about all the stuff because we're moving. And around here, there is a fridge and our rubbish from the last week. Well, less than that. Nice painting. Here, there is a little balcony. Oh, crap. Going onto the street. We have a kitchen, quite a good size. Did the job with the awesome drying rack above the sink, which is cool. Oh, bang, bang, bang. There is a table. We bought some flowers. Sofa, coffee table, TV. Through here, we have a bathroom, which I'll show you quickly with the light on, hopefully. Yep, there we are. Toilet, bidet, shower, and me. And then down here, we have like a place with the washing machine and like an indoor solarium type place. Then we have the room that had two single beds that have been pushed together. And then the final bedroom, which again, good size. And this one, I actually fixed this door because the lock didn't work and I couldn't go to sleep at night like that. However, now you come out here and there is like a little terrace balcony thing that overlooks, not terrible, just some brownfield site or waiting to be built on, but there's trees and everything else. So that is the little tour of this apartment, and now we're waiting for the host to come because we stayed a little bit later today. We're paying 20 euros or 25 euros because we wanted to work for the day and stuff. But now, once he comes, we'll be heading to Cambrils, and as always, you come with us. Let's go. You guys excited for Cambrils?
Yeah, absolutely. Looking forward to the train journey.
Looking forward to the train journey?
Indeed.
What do you guys think to Morgan's haircut?
I like it.
He came to Matt's Barber's this morning and
it's not the trim I asked for.
it's not what he asked for, but there's no refunds at Matt's Barber's. But
no refunds,
yes.
no regrets.
Yeah, no refunds and no regrets.
No regrets.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Look how loaded up Bert is. Proper loaded up there, isn't he? I look similar in fairness. Oh, now we've got a 20-minute walk to the train station. So much heavier. Okay, that's where we're going. But first, we're gonna cut off this corner here, I reckon. Yeah, of course. Try not to trip over with all these bags on. That'd be good. Make sure you don't upset any snakes. They don't know us anymore, mate.
I am a time traveller from the future.
And have you got any messages for us?
Yes. Eat all of the Oreos now because they will run out in 4 years.
Any messages about climate change or anything? What happens in the future?
Oreos.
When the Oreos run out, humanity cannot survive anymore.
And the only people that can stop it are vegans.
Yeah.
So the only people that can save the world are vegan?
Yep.
So you all need to become vegan, and therefore we can all save the world.
Preach. Hashtag go vegan.
Hashtag go vegan. I concur. So I'm going to go really close so you can hear me. We're now on the train, but we couldn't get seats with Morgan and Daisy, so they're ahead of us like you just saw. But we managed to get a seat together too, so can't complain.
Did it on my €9 shirt. Oh.
Bethan's €9 shirt. See you later, train. Hello, lift. What?
Gonna scare me.
Nope. That one doesn't work. It did say it on the door, but I wasn't reading. This is a new station, yeah. We decided to walk along the side by the river, but there's no river currently. It is more of a dry bed. But we've got to walk this way now for maybe 10 minutes before we get to our apartment, or we have to cross off from there. We're on Avenue Charles Robert Darwin. How cool is that? Okay, so we've now got into this apartment, and this apartment is incredible. We did splash out a little bit more for this. I think it was about £1,100 for the month, but 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. But you've got to see this. As always, this is a door, but check out these figurines around it and everything. And then this shoe rack, which I'm going to put my shoes on in a minute. And then the kitchen.
Well, let's move on.
Look at the size of this. Size of the fridge freezer. Epic. And then there's a Bethan in here. Oh yeah, open it up. Holy.
Industrial. Oh, look, there's
Whoa!
glasses in the freezer.
That is epic. The glasses are in the freezer already.
Muy frío.
Muy frío, sí. Okay, and then we've got everything we need, it looks like, from the different cups and everything. I think that's a bread bin. There's a little table here. More cups. Lots of counter space, including like a breakfast bar. There's a microwave, lots of chopping boards. I think they said this was like cleaning stuff in here. Yeah, sort of cleaning stuff, which is cool. Ah, proper boiler, so we don't have to worry about it going cold like most of the tanks you get here. And then you have a washing machine, new draining board, cute mallard, clock, all this here. I don't know what's in them. Just more plates. Oh, and is this one of the usuals? Yes, another draining board for the plates. Yeah, you can see under there. Kettle, what would you do without a kettle? Who knows? A bin, and then all the different stuff we need, including the knives and that. I don't know what's in these cupboards. Oh, jars, that's handy, especially as we're here for a month. Nothing in that one. Okay, let's look around the rest of this room. So, you come in through the door, and there's this huge room with lots and lots of space. This sofa, this hench table, that's massive. And then, yeah, we've got the TV, the Wi-Fi and everything. I am now gonna go outside because I'm curious, is there a balcony that looks good? Okay, so, it doesn't seem like you can get out very easy. Oh, yes you can. Look at this view. Holy, wow. This is the best view we've had so far in any apartment we've stayed in for more than like a couple of days. And the streets are all here. There are bins below, which I suspect might be noisy. And then as you see, the streets are cool. But let's go in, let's head in. Okay, huge living room. And then, let's have a look at all the other rooms. This is gonna be exciting. There's some stuff in here which it should, epic, let's go. So, first of all, let's go around here. And there is a bathroom with a bath, which I'm definitely going to use, a bidet and a toilet, proper shower though. And I'm me, because I'm always in them. And then, whoa, first bedroom. It has only got a single bed, but it's got one of the pull-out beds underneath here, which then is gonna make it into like a double, I think. Nice cute sun on the wall, nice big wardrobe. Now let's go into the double room. So, first of all, the double bed. It's got plenty of space, lots of wardrobes. I have a feeling, is this an electric bed? Does that, no way. Okay, it doesn't look like that actually works. Oh, it does. Oh, what? Okay, I'm gonna take that down. Okay, that's exciting. I'll try that out later. Okay, now for the second bathroom, we go in and there's a me again, and then this shower. It's got jets coming out of the wall. This is gonna be the best place I've ever showered in, I reckon. How cool is that? But let's go past the sink. The sink's cool, of course. And then the bath. Then there's an actual sauna in this room. Does the door open? How do I open the door? Is it up there maybe? Oh yeah, it just pulls tight. It's just a bit tight. And then there's actually a sauna in here, which I reckon 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 people at a push could fit in. Honestly, gonna be something I'm gonna spend a lot of time in. How cool is that? Right, and now, all important speed test. Let's see what happens. Holy, we're not gonna have any trouble at all. And what's the upload? I'm gonna give it another 3 seconds, and then we'll just, oh, there we are! Woohoo! So that's it for the official apartment tour. Let's see what the guys think. Let's see. What do you think to this apartment?
Wow.
Wow.
Mind blown,
It's
right?
like 3 times the size it looked on Airbnb, and it's usually the other way around. You get there and you're like, oh my god.
It's even
that's
got a mango
Mango.
stone there. Like, how well equipped is this place?
These are epic.
It's unbelievably well equipped. Like everything you could need.
Look, even the draining board's just.
I know, the draining board too. Right, I want a single word from each of you about what you feel from this. Starting
Wow.
with Morgan.
Right, sorry. Bagsy, wow.
Grand.
Grand. Betty?
Homely.
Homely? Daisy?
Mind blown. That's one word.
That's
There's a dash.
fine.
There's a hyphen.
There's a
That
hyphen.
is one word. And what
Go on,
about
Matt.
yours?
And for me, my word is sauna. Stefan said that just then, but I agree. You saw the sauna.
There's a
I'm going to be
TV
in that so
in
many
the
times.
kitchen.
Oh, and a TV in the kitchen.
How random.
Right, we're going to have to go to the shop in a minute, so I'm going to call that video here. It's going to be a bit of a short one today. It's all good. But yeah, thanks for coming along and seeing our apartment. We'll link it below so you can check it out if you ever want to book it yourself. I hope you've had fun.
Thank you.
Bye. Don't forget to look after yourself and our beautiful planet, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get